Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your computer performance. So I will be mainly talking about Windows and in between I will talk about Mac. Please follow my steps. I will be sharing some main methods in between. So please watch the video till the end that you will not miss it out. Number 1. Press Windows plus R or go to start, then go to run. Type temp here. Press OK. Now you can see a lot of files here. Select all. To do that, press Ctrl plus A. Delete all files. For you there will be many files here, but for me it was only 8 because I am regularly deleting it. Now you will be thinking that why we are deleting these files. These are the cache, cookies or unwanted files in our computer which is running in background and it's reducing our computer performance. Number 2. Press Windows plus R. Now type CMD here. Press OK. Now type tree here. Number 3. Press Windows plus R. Type msconfig here. Press OK. Now go to boot tab. Now if for you it will be 0 here. Make it 3. Go to advanced options. Now click both this maximum memory, number of processors, PCI loop, debug. Press OK. Apply. OK. Now restart. Number 4. Secure hard disk space. A common rule of thumb to keep your computer running fast is to have at least 15% of its hard disk space free. If your hard disk is almost full, you need to remove some programs and files to improve your computer speed. But if your disk has a plenty of room, then there could be something wrong with your operating system. Number 5. Organize desktop icons into folders. Organizing desktop icons into folders cleans up your background and it also cuts down your computer RAM usage. Your computer has to load each individual icon when you don't organize your desktop, which takes up a lot of RAM space. If each icon is in a folder, then your computer only needs to load each folder. Number 6. Save old pictures and videos to the cloud or an external hard drive. Number 7. Close unused tabs. To do that, press Windows plus tabs. Now you can see a lot of files here. Delete it all. Number 8. Uninstall unused programs. Most computers have pre-installed programs that you will never use. But even though you have never opened them, they slow down your computer by using up memory, wasting a ton of disk space and running background processes. Be careful not to remove any programs you don't recognize, though they could be very crucial for the function of your computer or any other applications. Number 9. Delete temporary files. Temporary files like internet history, cookies and caches takes up a ton of space on your hard disk. Deleting them frees up valuable space on your hard disk and speeds up your computer. On Mac OS, you can download CC Cleaner to find and delete temporary files in your hard disk. To delete temporary files on Windows, you can run a disk cleanup. To do that, type System Tools here. Now disk cleanup. Select C and you can see you can select all the temporary or cache files here. Press OK. Number 10. Stop programs from automatically launching when your computer turns on. If your computer takes a lot of time to start, it means that many programs are automatically launching when you're turning on your computer. Programs that automatically launch and keep running eats up a lot of your computer's memory and it will also reduce your booting speed. To remove the items that automatically launch on Mac OS, click the Apple icon, navigate to System Preferences and then to User and Groups and finally to Login Items. Here you will see all the programs that automatically launch when your computer starts and you can uncheck each one. On Windows, press Windows plus R, type msconfig here. Press OK. Now go to Startup tab. Now you can see a list of programs here. Disable which you don't want. Number 11. Remove unnecessary language resources. Each default language on your computer uses a ton of resources and files that devours free space on your hard disk. To remove any unused language on Mac OS, download Monolingual. Now to do it on Windows, just type here region and languages. Now you can remove unwanted languages from here. Number 12. This is the one of the main steps. Update your computer software. Updating your computer software can be a drag, but it's definitely worth it. New software updates fix bugs and glitches that slow down your computer. To check if your current software is up to date, on Mac, go to the apps under the Apple icon menu and click on updates. And on Windows, just type here Windows Update. And you will see there. Number 13. If your computer is too hot, give it a break. A constantly overheated computer will eventually turn into a sluggish computer. If your laptop is too hot to touch, it's working too hard and you need to let it cool down. To ventilate your computer, point a fan at it and use it on a flat surface so air can properly flow underneath it. Number 14. Shut down or restart your computer at least once a week. When you leave your computer on, background programs and applications hog its memory. Shutting down or restarting your computer refreshes your memory and prompts important tools to run maintenance on it. As a general guideline, shutting down or restarting your computer at least once a week will help it speed it up. Number 15. Remove unused dashboard widgets or gadgets. Dashboard widgets on Mac OS and gadgets on Windows will eat up RAM space because they run background updates even when you are not using them. You can use Widget Manager on Mac OS to delete these space wasters, and on Windows, all you have to do is right click and uninstall the gadgets you don't use. Number 16. Delete browser extensions or plugins you don't use. Browser extensions and plugins are some of the most convenient applications on the internet. But installing too many can slow down your web browser speed, especially if you forgot about most of them. To help boost your browser speed, uninstall the extensions or plugins that you don't use anymore. And to do that, select your browser. Here I am using Opera and you can see 3 dots here. For your browser, the place will be different. Click on it. Select extensions. Now you can disable which you don't want.